So we have 5 flavors of feet masks. So we have papaya shine, avocado, cherry fruits, vitamin C, and we have strawberry. So each is going for 250 shillings. And yeah, so let me get high on my stash. Yeah, I'll show you how it goes. So you are supposed to tear from here. So there's this color in over here, as you can see. So yeah, we're gonna use these scissors. So it has 2 layers inside. Yeah, so there's this plasticky part and then this one. So inside here is where you put your foot. So yeah, let's do that. Can you see the juice? And it smells great. Yeah, so this juice liquid serum, whatever, is what is gonna help your foot, your feet skin soften, and then you can peel it after 3 to 5 days.